Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a cornfield located in east central Wisconsin, where a 265 engine horsepower Massey Ferguson 8S.265 tractor is harvesting the crop, with a New Holland FP230 Forage Harvester filling a Gruit's forage wagon. In this presentation, I would like to share with you the tractor's production history, specifications, and base list price, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the cab of the tractor to see the operator's perspective. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this corn harvesting action. The Massey Ferguson 8S series of tractors includes 6 different models ranging from 205 to 305 engine horsepower. They are manufactured in Beauvais, France, and were introduced to the European market in 2020 and to the North American market in 2021, and remain current products for model year 2024. The 8S.265 features a 7.4-liter, 449 cubic inch Agco power turbocharged intercooled 6-cylinder 24-valve engine rated at 265 horsepower and has a power boost of 20 horsepower when the tractor encounters tough field conditions, and offers 205 PTO horsepower. This tractor is fitted with a 132-gallon diesel fuel tank and an 11.4-gallon diesel exhaust fluid tank for clean engine solutions. It features a Massey Ferguson Dyna VT constant variable transmission, which allows the tractor to travel from 0 to 31 miles per hour. When the machine rolls off the assembly line, it weighs in at 19,180 pounds and has a recommended operating weight of 22,046 pounds and can be fully field weighted all the way up to 35,273 pounds. According to masseyferguson.com, for model year 2024, the base list price for an 8S.265 tractor is $362,193. Here we can see the farmer's perspective of operating the Massey Ferguson 8S.265 tractor. This machine is running at 3.9 miles per hour. One of the standout features for this tractor is a 9.4-inch wide gap between the engine compartment and the cab, which greatly reduces noise, vibration, and heat while improving the overall ride experience for the operator. This tractor is operating a New Holland FP230 Forage Harvester, taking in 3 rows of corn per pass. I hope that you enjoyed spending some time out in the field and up in the cab of the Massey Ferguson 8S.265 tractor while it was forage harvesting. I would like to hear in the comment section below the video if you use Massey Ferguson tractors on your farm. Tell me about the model that you're running and the implements that it operates. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 3,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.